morning, viewers. Happy gathering with us at Breaking News of IZB TV. Your one most actual, sharp, and trust. The news taken from the direct place, either from national news or outside one. With me, Nibrosul here will accompany you for 15 minutes further at Breaking News today. Well, viewers, to start the news. Bandung Emergency Disaster Mitigation Agency teams evacuated hundreds of residents from their homes in the prepared shelters in the district, including at police and military headquarters and houses of worship after floodwaters inundated the area on Wednesday. Water up to 50 centimeters deep began to inundate the district on Tuesday. By Wednesday morning, the water reached up to 2 meters in some parts of the complex. Many vehicles belonging to residents were also trapped in the flood because the owner didn't have a change to move them to a higher place. For more details, I will connect with Arif at the crime scene. Please, Arif, give news about the situation.
Thank you very much, Mila. Around 3,050 homes in Bandung, West Java, were inundated following heavy rain over the past few days, where more floods and bad weather are expected throughout the archipelago in coming weeks. As we know, the area affected districts are Bale Endah, Banjaran, Bojong Soang, Cicalengka, Dayeuhkolot, Ranca Ekek, and Soreang. The agency has prepared shelter in the district, including as the police and military headquarters are house of worship. Heavy rain caused the Citarum River to overflow, pouring water into Bale Endah, Dayeuhkolot, and Bojong Soang district. Flooding worsened after a section of the river bank collapsed in Cileunyi. Roads were also inundated in Bale Endah, Bojong Soang, and Dayeuhkolot, while flooding has also forced state-owned electricity company PT PLN to shut down 3 power stations in Bale Endah for safety. Okay, I will interview the citizen about the situation in here.
Okay, as we know, many of them who had chosen to stay have requested help. So more than 4,000 people have left their homes since flood hit on Friday morning. The number may be still continues to grow because the evacuation are still going on.
And this the situation that I report from here. I return again to Mila in studio.
Thank you, Arif, for your information. And I hope the flood disaster in our country will recover soon. Let us together keep the environment clean for a healthy life without disasters. Well, viewers, those are the news. If you have some queries or suggestions, please visit us at www.icbtv.com. Thanks for your attention and see you next time.